That's what she looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Let me move on to something else. Hi guys, and welcome back. I think this afternoon we're gonna grind maybe a little bit more on the back part there and really get a good clean and paint. That's all I plan on doing today. Again, I don't feel like being out here too much. I got other things I need to get done around the house, so we'll jump on this, get this knocked out. Need to straighten the edge over there a little bit. I don't know if you can see over in there, and I'll be ready to paint. That being said, it might be a real short video. I tend to speed up stuff when I'm working on something, so like an hour video goes to 12 minutes. So anyways, let's go here and we'll grind a little bit more across the top portion and maybe a little bit towards the back, and just make sure there's nothing there. And then we'll clean it off with some cleaner, and then we'll spray it with some of that Rust Reformer Black. So let's hop over there and get to it. Alright, I think we're about ready to paint. Need to clean it off and spray some paint. The only rusty part I saw is right there. I think I got in there well enough to get it. Hopefully that will seal it off, that rust preventative. But all back there, it looks pretty good. Probably gonna tape off this in here and here on each side so I can get this part. I need to go over this right here though right quick. Wish I could get in there better. Make it run across here, far down as I can get it to get rid of that body putty. Might run it in here again too. Just trying to dig down and get that rust. Really need to get this piece up. May try to do that too. Anyways, we'll hit a few spots again, then we'll start cleaning, and then we'll spray. well, we got it painted. So, quick little video, but everything got covered pretty well. We got the sides. Take that off. Not that I'm worried about overspray too much. I just didn't want to get that completely black. But yeah, I think it turned out not bad. Over here though, got a little carried away. You can see we got a huge line of runs going through there. But other than that, I think came out good. Even straighten this better. It's not perfect by any means, but a lot better than it was. Take this off too. That's what she looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Let me move on to something else. Well, I guess that'll do it for me today. Like I said, kind of short video. Just mainly want to get that painted, which we did. I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect by any means, but I'll take it. I know there's no rust at least. Like I said before, I'm doing 500 subscribers by the end of March. If we hit that, then I'll eat the world's hottest chocolate. But thank you for watching, and these fumes are getting bad, so I better get out of here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.